he get away with this?
He stole his ice cream cone.
I can't believe this is actually what my humor has come to.
I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating, so want the real.
Together with Pink and Blue. Straight Lives Matter. Oh my gosh. Funny. The shark from the Katy Perry video is here. Straight Lives Matter. What does that mean to you?
Nothing. All lives matter. You know, gay lives matter, straight lives matter. Everyone's lives matter except for socialists.
Where did you hear about the Straight Pride Parade?
Facebook.
And when you first heard about it, what was your initial thought?
That's hilarious. I'm doing it.
What was funny about it?
Because it's never been done before and everyone's going to be pissed off even though it's obviously a joke.
Is it obviously a joke?
Yes.
You speak more than one language. Tell me, what language do you switch to when you're mad?
Oh, that's easy. I hit him with the French. Hey, parlez-vous, fuck you, baguette-looking croissant motherfucker.
I just got out of marriage counseling with my wife, and it didn't really go as planned. So the entire time we're out counseling, my wife is complaining to the therapist, saying that I don't love her anymore, there's no passion in our relationship, I don't make time for her, this and that, and just sobbing to the therapist. So the whole time that she's complaining to the therapist, I'm rolling my eyes, I can't stand it, and finally, the therapist cuts her off. I'm relieved that my wife stopped talking, but the therapist gets up out of his seat, walks over the table, and tells my wife to stand up. The therapist then starts to make out with my wife passionately, grabbing her waist, and I'm just sitting there like, what is going on? So then the therapist goes to me, see what I just did to your wife? She needs this minimum 3 times a week. So I look at the therapist and go, Mondays and Tuesdays I can drop her off here, but Wednesdays I actually go fishing, but you can come by the house and pick her up if you want.
Yeah, what can I... Boy, I'm gonna stop you right there. You might want to pick them damn pants up. It'll help you run faster. Honey, go get my shotgun!
Dude, have you been hitting the gym and eating more? Jesus Christ.
No. I'm not getting bigger. I'm a nigga.
One sec.
Guess you're pee-pee.
I was busy thinking about.
Does your fucking mom know you're playing? Because you probably still live in her house.
No. Does your mom know that you're playing with a sex offender right now?
I thought showing off my private pool would be so cool until I bust my ass.
Подожди. Сейчас. Эй, подожди. Все будет в клетке, пацаны. Абдурос, успокойся.
Говори.
Хазбол.
Говори.
Хазбол, подожди. Хазбола.
Говори.
Не.
Джабью.
Не.
Сопляк маленький. Джабью.
Не. Абдурос.
Bitch.